van, Alice. V's for van.
Very good. The letter V makes the sound V, as in van. But the van's wheel is bent. Let's help the letter V fix the wheel.
What is this letter?
This is the letter W. The letter W comes after the letter V, and it makes the sound W.
Does wheel start with W?
You are right. W is for wheel. Letter W, can you help the van get a new wheel? Thank you, W. You are a wonderful friend. Great! We found 2 letters at the same time. The letter V
For van.
and the letter W.
For wheel.
We have 3 letters left to find. The next letter is X. Speedy, we're here to take you to the train factory.
Okay, you can operate this train. Push this lever forward to accelerate. We cannot travel faster than 10 miles per hour. We want everybody to be safe at the factory.
I can go a lot faster than 10 miles per hour, but the robot won't let me.
Hey, robot, don't close the gate yet. Thanks.
We have slow trains like Donald, and fast trains like Benny.
Okay, Donald, are you ready to race again?
Bring it on, Benny. Oh no, not again.